The culprit. Let us now all join together in one voice and shout few slogans. Are you guys ready? Yes. Are you guys ready? Yes. Now, please. Are you guys ready? Yes. When I say we want, your response will be justice. When I say government of Manipur, your response will be book the culprit. When I say Arambai Tenko, your response will be confess your crime. Are you clear? Yes. Okay. Let us begin. When I say we want, your response will be justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. When I say government of Manipur, your response will be book the culprit. Right. Government of Manipur! Government of Manipur! Government of Manipur!